Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing really well. In today's video I have a review video of something like, is it like an utensils, like a tool, like a thing that we use nowadays, and it is from Face Halo. It's basically a modern makeup remover. I have one in here, of course. So I've been using this product, and today's video I just want to show you guys what Face Halo is, what's the purpose of this, how it made my skin and stuff like that. So if you like this kind of stuff, then please stick around to the end of this video. And also, if you guys are new here, definitely click the subscribe button, don't miss on videos like these. And let's just get into this video. Now let me quickly tell you guys why I came across Face Halo. So I'm someone who uses just complexion makeup, so this is concealer and foundation and powder, and that's it. And I use a very strict skincare routine at the moment, so I don't want to use tons and tons of products on my face because I already used so much in the past, and I just want to strip back on products. And I was thinking, what should I use in order to get rid of the makeup? And I was using my cleanser, but the cleanser was not doing much. So I was like, you know what, I need to get like a makeup remover vibes, not the wipes, like a makeup remover product, or even the wipes. To be honest, I was considering those. But I was like, you know what, I don't want to use another product in order to get off my makeup. So I was thinking about Face Halo. I think I was watching someone's YouTube video and they have been mentioning this. Who I was watching, it was an influencer, obviously, either on Instagram or on YouTube. And I was like, oh, there's this product, Face Halo. And I think this is the only kind of brand, like this unique brand, that does this kind of makeup remover pads. And I was like, let me try them. So I did my research, did my Google and stuff like that. And obviously this is the best modern makeup remover that you will find in the market. So I tried it. It's been now couple of months, I feel like in 5-6 months now I've been using Face Halo, and I'm really impressed. Now the purpose of Face Halo is, let me just open it. So let me just show you the packaging. So it comes like this, and mine's are in a black color. It comes also in a white or a black. I got the black ones because I feel like I don't want to see all the dirt of the foundation. So it comes in a nice packet. So it comes in a nice packet, and you open it and you got the leaflet in here. So basically it's a very unique concept, and I'm gonna tell you guys what it is. So this was launched in May 2017. Oh, in May, I love May, obviously it's my birthday month. Face Halo has become an industry leader in the pursuit of sustainable, skin-friendly makeup removers. So the founder of Face Halo, Lizzie Pike, set out to create an effortless way to speed up her end-of-day routine. I want that end-of-day routine quickly. It's just that happened that Lizzie had 15 years of experience in the realm of the fiber technology, which inspired her to develop these effective, non-toxic, environmentally friendly and cost-effective makeup removing heroes. So basically these are just fibers of cotton, like a towel cotton, and as it says in the website, it just speeds up your routine, and it does really speed up my routine when I take my makeup off. So the Face Halos are like this. This is the brand new one, you guys can see that. I'm gonna show you guys it properly. So this is how they look like, very brand new, says Face Halo, and this is soft cotton, like fibers, and it's just very lovely. This feels very soft and very nice to use. And this is my last one, because one I've given to my sister, she loves it, and the other one is in my bathroom because I don't want to show you guys my dirty Face Halo, because there's no point showing you guys my dirty Face Halo, so you guys can see the fresh one. It's a very simple thing that you can do with the Face Halo. So basically you just, the instructions are very easy. You just add water. The water loosens up the makeup, allowing Face Halo to reach deep into your pores to remove and trap makeup. And it removes makeup, so no need to rub or scrub. Simply wet your Face Halo and gently wipe until all makeup is removed, and rehydrate as needed. and you can wash and reuse. So for the best results, hand wash directly after your use with soap and warm water. Machine wash with similar colors as needed. So it's also cruelty free and vegan. Face halo is like designed in Australia and made in Korea. So of course Korean skincare tools are very, very nice. So in terms of face halo, you can add water. So in terms of the water, you can either use cold or warm water. The water loosens up the makeup, allowing the fibers, hair strands, which is like 10 times finer than human hair. Wow, no, 100 times finer than human hair, to reach deeply into your pores to remove and trap makeup. Your skin enjoys a healthy and invigorating clean in half of the time. See how the face halo is compared to other products. So it's very just a simple, clever, effective product. You don't need to scrub or rub because it just gently removes everything. So whenever I use this, my skin feels super soft afterwards. Honestly, get rid of all of the makeup, all of the junk and gunk from my face, and of course you will see it on the fibers as well. In terms of colors, I would suggest to go for the black one because the white ones you will see literally everything. But this really speeds up my nighttime routine. When I come after work, I don't want to use I don't want to use a product, and also I don't want to spend like hours and hours in the bathroom removing my makeup. So I just want something quick and easy. What I do, I wash my face and I wash like I make this a bit wet. You can wet this, of course. Wet's very important. You need to wet it with hot or cold water. I wet this and then I go literally gently rubbing it like how I would use a toner, and just doing this kind of motions, and it gets off all of the makeup from the face, which is very nice. And after that I just wash it with my hands and just leave it, and it will dry the next day, and you can use it and use it so many times. And I feel like it says how many times you can use it. You can use it more than 200 times if you want to put it in a washing machine. So 200 times wash cycles before replacing. For best results, wash face halo before first use. So face halo is a very nice and very different kind of product. I've never used something like this, and I've always seen people rave about the face halo and thinking that this is amazing. Finally, I've tried it out for myself, and I cannot recommend you guys more than enough. If you're a guy watching, if you're a girl watching, if you want a makeup remover but you don't want to spend money even on products, because you will save a lot of money using face halo. You will save on products, you will save on water as well, you will save on everything, and you save time, save energy. And this is just a simple one-step product. Of course, you can double cleanse if you want. You can use this and use the cleanser afterwards. On the days that I know that maybe I need an extra more like cleanse, I use this and then use my cleanser afterwards. But you don't need to go and purchase another makeup remover product, like a cleansing balm, like a cleansing cream. Nothing like that. You don't need it anymore if you have face halo, because it just does the magic, and it's so lovely on the skin. Super soft, and I love it. My skin loves it. It doesn't break me out, of course it doesn't. Super gentle, super nice, super soft. So cannot recommend you guys this more than enough. And now I know the hype why this product is so popular by everyone, so raved, and so like cult classic. And speaking of cult classic, and speaking of availability, I was checking the Cult Beauty website. You will find this product in Cult Beauty. You find it in everywhere. You find it in Harrods, you find it in Selfridges, Cult Beauty. You find it in, where's the website? You find it in Amazon. Look fantastic, feel unique. Of course, on the Face Halo website. You'll find it in Boots. You'll find it in Beauty Bay. All the stores, all the beauty stores have it, because of course this is a product that really works and people really like. In terms of the prices, it's not the most expensive thing in the world. So this one retails, the one in a pack, 3-pack, this retails for £18, and you get 3 in a pack, and this will last you so long. And they also have like a headband, they also got like a body, like a cotton remover like as well. So they got a few bunch of products from the brand Face Halo. But so yeah, so overall I think this is a brilliant product, and it will last you for a long time. It will last you up to 200 washes, and you can hook it up with this little hook as well in order to dry. So it's a very innovative product, and I cannot recommend you guys to go and check it out. And honestly, this is my last one, so once that one is gone, but the other one I bought will last me for a long time as well. But I'm just saying, if you're looking for a nice present even as well, this will make a nice present stocking filler for Christmas, like this add-on gift and something like that. So this is a very, very lovely brand and lovely product. And I feel like this was it with this review video of the Face Halo makeup, makeup remover pads. So I hope you guys all enjoyed this and liked it. Do let me know what other kind of reviews you guys want me to do next. Thanks so much for watching. Until next time, I will see you guys in my next video.